Hello guys, I am Cheriyan. Today we are going to do the differentiation of hyperbolic functions. Okay. Y equals sin hx tan hx. Okay, y is equal to sin hx tan hx. So see, there are two functions. One is sin hx, the other one is tan hx. What is the formula of differentiation? Y is equal to uv dy by dx equals u into first function into derivative of second dv by dx plus v into derivative of first function. So that is the formula. First function sin hx dy by dx sin hx into derivative of tan hx sec h square x. Okay, sec h square x plus tan hx into derivative of sin hx is cos hx. That's it. That's it. Okay, you can simplify this. Sin hx sec h square x is what? Sec h square x is 1 by cos h square x plus tan hx cos hx. Okay, this one we can write sin hx. I'm going to take 1 cos hx from here, so by cos hx into 1 by cos hx. Okay, plus tan hx cos hx. Okay, so this one is tan hx. Tan hx, what is this? This is sec hx. 1 by, there is reciprocal of cos hx is sec hx plus tan hx cos hx. What is the next one? Next one is we can take out tan hx as a common factor. Tan hx, when you take out tan hx as a common factor, sec hx plus cos hx. Cos hx. So this is a good form. Okay, this one is a good form. So if you write somewhere here, you get the full point. Okay, full scope. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, next one. Next one. Y is equal to x square. Y is equal to x square sin h inverse 2x. Sin h inverse 2. Here also there are two functions. One is x square, the other one is sin h inverse 2x. Okay, the formula is same. Y is equal to uv dy by dx equals u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. Okay, here x square derivative of x square. Sorry, first function u x square into derivative of second function sin h inverse x. What is the sin derivative of sin h inverse u? D by dx of sin h inverse x is what? 1 by square root of 1 plus x square. That is the formula. Okay, here 1 by, what is in the place of x? In the place of x, or I'm going to write u. Okay, in the place of u, du u square. Okay, here in the place of u, it is 2x. 1 by square root of 1 plus u square. U square is 2x the whole square. 1 plus 2x whole square. Chain rule. Then after that, don't look at here. Look at here. What is the chain rule? U is 2x. Derivative of u is 2 plus v into second function sin h inverse 2x into derivative of x square 2x. Okay. So here 2x square by square root of 1 plus 2x the whole square is 4x square plus 2x sine h inverse 2x. Okay, this is the answer. You don't need to simplify this. This is the answer. Alright? See, first function into derivative of second. Derivative of sine h inverse u is 1 by square root of 1 plus u square. What is u here? 2x. That is 4x square. 4x square. Square of 2 is 4. Square of x is x square. Then by chain rule, derivative of 2x is what? 2 times 2 plus second function into v into derivative of x square 2x. That's the answer. Second, y equals x tan h inverse x plus log square root of 1 minus x square. See, this one is a containing is the hyperbolic function, this one doesn't. Okay, so we need to see here product rule. You need to apply the product rule. Here you don't need to. Okay, what is the derivative of tan h inverse x? Derivative of tan h inverse x d by dx of tan h inverse x is what? 1 by 1 minus x square. 1 by 1 minus x square is the derivative of tan h inverse x. Sorry, tan h inverse x. So here dy by dx equals first function x into derivative of tan h inverse x is 1 by 1 minus x square plus tan h inverse x into derivative of x is what? 1. That one finish. First function into derivative second. You don't need to apply the chain rule. You need to apply the chain rule actually. What is the derivative of x? 1. You don't need to write that. So second function tan h inverse x into derivative of x is 1. Then plus, what is the derivative of this? 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Wow. Because log, what is the derivative of log u? Derivative of log u is 1 by u. Here, in the place of u, what is the function? Square root of 1 minus x square. 1 by u. Okay. Then by chain rule, what is the derivative of root of? Root of, what is the derivative of root of? Derivative of root x is what? 1 by 2 root x. Okay. That's also a formula. Actually, it's not a formula. If you do it by half into x raised to half minus 1, you get 1 by 2 root x. Okay, it is better to learn it by heart. That is, derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Okay, that is again derivative of this one, square root is 1 by 2 root 1 minus x square into derivative of 1 minus x square. Again apply the chain rule. What is the derivative of 1 minus x square? Derivative of 1 is 0 minus 2x into minus 2x. 2 cancel out. Okay. So x by 1 minus x square plus tan h inverse x plus c. Square root of 1 minus x square into square root of 1 minus x square is what? 1 minus x square. Square root, we don't need to write the square root. Root x times root x is what? X, the same thing. Root of 1 minus x square times root of 1 minus x square. Here 1 x is in the numerator. So x by this one. See, there are two terms the same, right? So we can add those things, those terms. X plus x to x. 2x by 1 minus x square plus tan h inverse x. That is the answer. Okay. One more time. First function into derivative of this is a formula. Then second function into derivative of x 1 plus what is the derivative of this? 1 by log u, 1 by u, 1 by square root. Then what is the derivative of, by using chain rule? You need to apply 2 times the chain rule. What is the derivative of root of something? 1 by 2 root. That 1 by 2 root. And again apply the chain rule. Derivative of 1 is 0. You don't need to write that. 0 minus 2x. Minus 2x. 2 cancel out. Oh, this one is minus actually. This one is minus. Oh, minus. Okay, so these 2 terms cancel out. We don't need to write this. Okay, answer is tan h inverse x. Tan h inverse x. So because this minus 2x is, come to this side. So this plus becomes minus. So these 2 terms cancel out. Okay, this is the answer, tan h inverse x. Next one. Y is equal to sec h inverse. Y is equal to sec h inverse square root of 1 minus x square. Okay. So what is the derivative of sec h inverse x equals, this is the formula, minus 1 by x into square root of 1 minus x square. That is the formula. We derived all these formulas. Okay. So if you have any doubt, just maybe 62nd video, I think, or 60th video, I don't know. Okay, d by dx of sin h inverse x is equal to minus 1, but that is the formula. So just apply that formula here. Dy by dx equals minus 1 by x. What is x here? Square root of 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square into square root of 1 minus, what is x? X is square root of 1 minus x square, the whole square. So 1 minus square root of 1 minus x square, the whole square. Okay, x square. Do you see that x square? X is square root of 1 minus x square. So that one finished. Just apply the formula. Then apply the chain rule. Square root of, what is the derivative of square root of 1 by 2? 1 by 2 root 1 minus x square. Again apply the chain rule. Derivative of 1 is 0. Minus x square is minus 2x. Minus 2x. 2 cancel out. Okay. Minus times minus plus. Plus x by square root of 1 minus x square into square root of this one 1 minus square root. We don't need to write the square root because the square is there. So 1 minus x square into 1 minus x square. Okay, this one. Alright, so x by square root of 1 minus x square times square root of 1 minus x square is 1 minus x square times this one square root of 1 minus times 1 is minus 1. Minus times minus is plus x square. So 1 minus 1 cancel out. Square root of x square is x. So x by 1 minus x square into x. X cancel out. So the answer is 1 by 1 minus x square. That is the answer. Okay. Alright. Next one, last one. Y is equal to cot h inverse. Y is equal to cot h inverse square root of x square plus 1. Okay, that is the, what is d by dx of cot h inverse x? Cot h inverse and sin h inverse, the formulas are same. 1 by 1 minus x square. Okay, both are same. So dy by dx equals, just apply the formula, 1 by 1 minus, what is x here? Square root of 1 minus square root of 1 x square plus 1. That is square root of x square plus 1 the whole square. Okay. Then apply the chain rule. What is the square root of u? 1 by 2 root u. 1 by 2 root s square plus 1. Okay. Then again derivative s square 2x plus 0. 2 cancel out. So here 1 by 1 minus x square minus 1. When you remove the square root, when you square the square root, we don't need to write the square root again. Minus, then distribute minus inside. Minus x square minus 1. You got to see, I just see this is the, when you square the square root, you don't need to write the square root again. S square plus 1, put it in a bracket. Then times x by square root of s square plus 1. So here 1 by 1 minus x square minus 1 into x by square root of s square plus 1. Okay. See here 1 minus 1 cancel out. I am going to write this minus on the top. Minus x by x square into s square into square root of s square plus 1. See 1x you can cancel out. So the answer is minus 1 by x into square root of s square plus 1. That is the answer. Alright guys, I am going to finish differentiation here. Tomorrow onwards I am going to start integration. Okay, see you then.